Hey guys, what's up? It's me, CJ, and before the video starts, I just want to let y'all know, thank you for watching. This is kind of a weird video because it's not more or less a video, but more or less me just sharing something with you. Do not be like me and enjoy my mess ups. I'll have a real product unboxing for you guys for the Oculus Rift S later on, either this week or next week. But I wanted to share with you guys this unfortunate set of circumstances on what not to do, and basically just show you guys the setup that I was using. So hope you guys enjoy, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out. How do I start this? Hello guys, welcome. Today I've got something special. Finally came in. Now Now I've got to be honest with you guys. I've never ever had VR. I've never tried it, and until recently I barely knew what it was. I thought it was that Google little phone thing you put on your face. But you know, I decided I was gonna share this with you guys because this is special to me. You know, it also costed $400, so I'm trying to milk all the fucking content that I can get out of this thing. So yeah, I mean, I'm gonna share with you guys this amazing thing. The box is super slippy, so I don't know how to unbox things, and you're all probably gonna hate me. But this is a improper Oculus Rift S unboxing with a idiot. Okay, that's the title of the video, most likely. Let's go on ahead and unbox this bad boy. I've been waiting on this thing to show up for like 5 days now. And we're going to get to a better location the second I can actually do it. I want to just show you guys the box and stuff here first. So look at this. Dude, that's a high quality box. But for those of you asking why I didn't get the Oculus Quest, it's because it's mobile and they said that the graphics were worse. First off, I don't really have too many friends to hang out with in real life, so I can't really take it over to the house. And if they want to experience this, they come to me. I'm too lazy to get out of my room. And second off, what was I talking about? And second off, the graphics. So apparently graphics in this are better, and I'm a big graphics person. If something doesn't look nice, if it looks doo-doo, then I spend every ounce of my time trying to fix it. Yeah, so basically, when I first started this video, this is attempt numbers like 6 or 7, and I don't use scripts because fuck that. I'd prefer to be in the moment. But when I first started this, it looked blurry. If I can get you some sample footage, I'll throw it in. But if not, fuck it. Let's go ahead and unbox this because I'm sitting here talking for nothing. I should probably use scripts from now on. Let's go on ahead and move on to the unboxing. Let's just do a really cool looking thing to be cool. Well, I'm over here hitting my mic. Let's do a really cool thing so it would be cool. Alright, can you guys actually see me? I'm pretty dog shit at this, so let's go ahead and unbox it. I don't really know how to get a stable, stationary thing. So I've got to think here. Oh, I could use this trash can. Oh, fucking, there we go, thumbs up, right there. Holy shit. Okay, you know what? God damn, this is tough. I didn't actually think this would be this fucking hard. Boy, was I wrong. Can I get a fucking high angle on this? Are you fine, baby? Fuck this tripod, man. Holy shit. Okay, well, it's gonna be a pain in the fucking ass. Guys, this is gonna be a bigger pain than I thought it was originally gonna be to shoot. First off, it's getting hot as fuck in here. Second off, I did this. Oops. I don't know how to explain this, but I'm not smart. And I did this shit with my tripod to get this optimal angle. And so what ended up happening was nothing fucking good. I about broke my camera, but fuck. Screw it, dudes. I'll have to hold it like this, I guess. This is ass, honestly. How the fuck do I open this box? Okay, we're just gonna do it this way because I'm not fucking breaking this camera. Sorry if you guys can barely hear me, by the way. This is my setup. I need to invest in some better equipment. Anyways, okay. Oculus Rift S unboxing. Fuck. I'm like the worst person to do this shit. Ooh. Actually, wait. Holy shit. Look at that from an up angle. Yo. Yeah, that's actually pretty good. Hold on. Can I get some good quality lighting on this? Blip. Look at that. It's pretty dope. I'll get some close-up shots of that. What is this? I'm assuming it's software and shit. Oh, batteries. Okay. Makes sense. This is going downhill super fucking quick.